guys, it's Nicole and welcome to Amara Expanded Model here in Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. This is Amaressa 3. Alright guys, we're gonna have a house tour, November updated sample computation, inventory, and at the same time, this is my birth month. So watch until the end of this video so that you can know my special promo na nangyayari lang once a year. Kasi nga, syempre, birth month to, November to, special to. Join me today, guys. Syempre, si Amara Expanded. Ayan. Showing on the screen yung kanyang floor and lot area. Did you know, guys, that this is one of our biggest model here in Amaressa 3. Pagpasok mo pa lang, di ba, ang bubungad na sa'yo yung napakaluwag na living area. Kaya ang gamit namin dito, malalaki or yung mga chunky sofa, furniture, ganyan. Pwedeng-pwede. Alam mo, maluwag pa siya dito, guys, ha? Ayan. Pasok mo ng door, ganito pa kalaki yung space niya. Tapos, ganito rin yung gawin nyo, yung floor to ceiling, yung mga curtains. Kasi, yun yung mas nakakapagbigay ng yayamanin vibes, ng expensive, like, elegant vibes sa isang interior. So, ito, 6-seater dining table yung ginamit natin. Yan. At syempre, dahil Amara Expanded, to may lanay na tayo, guys, ha? This is our lanai area. We have a spacious car garage and garden space for Amara Expanded, as you've seen in the first part of this video. And dahil Amara Expanded na yan, meron ka pa ditong access door sa service area. At ganito kalaki po, kahaba yung ating kitchen top for Amara Expanded. Disclaimer, this is not included in the turnover, but this part of the cabinets included yan sa turnover ng ating unit. At in total, guys, may kita nyo kung ilang bedrooms. Ito muna yung ating first toilet and shower. Have a look of our first toilet and shower. Ayan siya, guys. Ang ganda-ganda na ng first toilet and shower mo, di ba? At syempre, itong room sa baba, ginawa siya dito like a study or office room. Pero, kung pwede mo rin itong gawing storage room, kung ano yung gusto mo. Hindi lang siya kaya siguro helper's room, pero depende pa rin kung paano mo, kasi medyo maliit lang talaga tong part na to sa baba. Let's go here. Ganito na yung turnover ng stairs. Bedroom 1. So guys, this is your bedroom number 1 for Amara Expanded. In total, we have 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and shower with attic. Yes, this is the model unit na mayroon pong attic sa 3rd floor at may maluwag pa rin balcony. Ito guys, single bed or double bed, pwede. Kasi meron ka pang space dito. Let me just show you your closet. Yan. May space pa siya dito na pwede kang maglagay ng closet. Ayan, ha? At dito guys, kids room, baby's room. Ayan, may space pa siya dito. Baka akala mo, hindi kasya yung single bed. Kasya kasi meron pang space dito. Kaya kung ang gagawin mo ay maglalagay ka ng single bed, pag ganito, pwede pa rin po ang single bed sa side na to kung hindi mo siya gagamitin baby room. Okay? At yung ating second toilet and shower, ito siya guys. Napaka-elegant po ng design ng ating toilet and shower with complete fixtures upon unit turnover, Amara Expanded. And of course, ang loob ng hallway mo, pwede ka pang maglagay ng ano dito, diba? Ng chair, kasi ang luwag niya talaga. Tapos, ito na yun yung access mo dito sa iyong balcony. Unahin natin si balcony. Yung balcony na yan, pwede kang mag-pool party, pwede mo yung palagyan ng polycarbonate roof, pwede ka dyan mag-barbecue party, pwede kang maglagay ng inflatable pool. Sa sobrang laki niya guys, napakadami mong pwedeng gawin sa spacious balcony area mo. And of course, before we go to the attic, the most exciting part, let's go to the master's bedroom. Andito na siya. Di ba parang hotel, Amara Expanded, pwede po ang queen size, pwede po dito ang king size sa ating master's bedroom, na meron pa tayong space dito. You can watch your favorite Netflix movie or series, guys. O diba, Amara Expanded, na mayroong sariling master's toilet and shower. Meron ka ditong closet, part, and your toilet and shower here. Ayan, o diba? Ito yung pinaka-best part. Diba gusto mo yung master's bedroom mo, may sariling toilet and shower, yung hindi ka na lalabas, yung, alam mo na, dito, ito syempre, ito yung parents' room, diba? Alam mo naman na, importante yung sariling bathroom sa iyong master's bedroom for privacy. And of course, pwede ka rin maglagay dito ng closet pa. Ayan, o. So many things you can do with Amara Expanded, guys. And of course, the most exciting part, let's go to the third floor or attic. Let's go. This is the attic. Naginawang playroom. So, have a look of your attic. Tadaan! Pwede mong gawing playroom. Ayan, sa mga kiddos. Ayan, guys. Ang luwag, ang laki. Ito pa siya. Ayan. Oh. Napakadami. So many things you can do. So many things. You can be creative. Kung anong gusto mong gawin. Gusto mo ba gawing entertainment room or area ang Amara Expanded? Or gayahin mo to? Gawin mong kids playroom? Or kung wala kang kids pero marami kang pets, gawin mong pets, pets playroom. Yun. May ganun, diba guys? So, depende yan sa'yo, okay? So, OFW immigrants, for as long as you still have a valid Filipino passport, and locally employed business owners, VA or freelancers, for as long as you can show your proof of income, you are welcome. Pwede po dito online reservation and on-site, which is mag-schedule ka sa akin ng actual tripping. Ang bawal dito mag-walk-in. Strictly no walk-ins are allowed. You have to contact me as soon as possible. But before that, let me show you the sample computation. So, Amara Expanded, guys, you can say value for money pa rin. Kasi 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, may attic, napakalaki ng lot area, tapos meron pang malaking balcony, premium yung location, exclusive yung subdivision with complete amenities like swimming pool, very strict yung guard natin dito, 24/7 security, at no history of flood, okay? So, that is Amara Expanded Sample Computation. If you think that you are qualified in terms of the proof, the required income that I'm showing on the screen right now, you need to contact me as soon as possible through my Viber and WhatsApp number because strictly no walk-ins. Just contact me through my Viber or WhatsApp. Mention Amara Expanded para alam ko kaagad na ito pala yung model na interesado ka na gusto mong i-avail. We only have very few slots left. I think maybe 3 or less na lang yung available. Yes, it's fast selling project because of the premium location, because of the unique features, and the value for money. So, if you're using Viber or WhatsApp, just contact me as soon as possible. Mention Amara Expanded. Or if you're using Messenger, Facebook, yan yung aking account, guys. Mention Amara Expanded. Ako yan, legit yan. May blue check yan. Verified yan. Kaya sure ka na, si Nicole yan. Wala nang iba. Okay, guys? Just contact me for tripping, for sample computation, for the copy of the map, or online reservation, and any other questions that you may have. Okay? And now, because you might say that I might forgot about the special promo for my birth month, ipapakita ko na sa screen, guys, yung birth month promo ko. Ayan. Pati yung mechanics niya, diba? Very easy lang naman, guys, for you to be able to avail yung aking reservation cashback incentives for my birth month. Okay? Dito lang yan, guys, sa Amaresa. Yan, guys, yung mga binibigay kong promo na once a year, especially tuwing dumarating yung November, kasi nga birth month ko yun, diba? Minsan lang naman yan sa isang taon. And also my way of appreciating you and thanking you as well as my client. Thank you, guys. And of course, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.